Hello, I'm Yerikin from Korea Industry Daily. And here is Smart Factory and Automation World 2019. And for today's interview, we invite Frank from Turkey. Hello.
Hello, my name is Frank Rohn. I'm from Turk in Germany. I'm Vice President Sales for APAC region. I'm responsible for this region, also responsible for Korea. I'm working in Turk for a pretty long time, since '92, so I have a little bit of history also in Korea and in Asia. And yeah, the Turk company in the meantime is well established. We are more than 4,500 people globally and also pretty strong representative here in Korea. And yeah, we try to extend our market position here in Korea, and the Korean market is very, very important. That's why I'm really pleased to join this exhibition here
All right,
today.
thank you so much. And let's move on to the next question.
Yeah.
The Turk
Yeah.
continues to show various activities
Yes.
in the automation area,
Yeah.
right? So for this exhibition,
Yeah.
what kind of which product is mainly presenting? Are you
Yeah.
guys?
Yeah.
So can you briefly introduction or
Yeah.
brief explanation for that?
I would like to. Thank you very much for asking. Yeah, I think we have a very wide product range, so that's why we try to focus on special product here. And as we have the focus on the smart factory, yeah, we put in front our RFID solution. Yeah, it's a very key product range for us in this world. As well as we have a very extended range also of pick-to-light solutions for automation, what goes along, and wireless solution, but you obviously also seen our cloud solution,
Right,
so
right
over there.
right.
So we also want to bring this to the attention of the visitors, yeah, with our new solution there, yeah.
And can you brief introduction
Yeah.
about more the
Yeah.
Turk solution?
Yeah, I think cloud solutions are on the market. Yeah, a lot of providers offer a cloud solution, and I think most of the people know it from the home application. So now it goes industry and goes factory. So in this case, we want to be very customer focused. Yeah, customer focused means we want to give the customer options and want to give the customer a way. Means we have varieties for the customer that we focus on two things. Yeah, one thing for us is important that the customer can implement this technology step by step. So we want to guide the customer into the solution. So he can go from on-premise solution if he trusts the real cloud, not in this way. So he can go to first steps toward cloud. So we, as well as we have the real cloud solution, where we offer a Wi-Fi solution as well as a UMTS solution. So, and also we want to be very careful on the safety part of it, so that the information is very sensitive for the customer. We want to make sure that the customer is confident to give us this information in our cloud. So we provide our cloud as well as we can also be an edge device for a public cloud. Yeah, but all is important for us, and that's the Turk-specific part, that we help the customer, yeah? That the customer is not just have a product, just hardware or just software. We offer hardware and software, we offer open standards, and we help the customer on his way. That's very, very important for our solution.
And regarding the smart factory, it's a
Yes.
really hot area right now.
Yes.
So many Korean customers have
Yes.
great interest in it, right?
Yes.
So what kind of a competitive advantage in Turk compared to your competitors?
I think it's very, very important at the moment to not overheat the overall situation. So that's why we also want to offer a customer small steps, that he has a lot of customer need to implement the smart factory technology. They feel the pressure, but like we also had our education way, we will also provide the customer this education way. So it starts with training, it starts with introduction, it starts with sampling, it starts with little applications here and there, and it starts with things he can handle. And then we come step by step to a full-blown smart factory. I don't like the way, and Turk also support this, to switch. Yeah, so this is a way you have to go. It's a path. and we want to show the path to the customer, but the target has to be a full automated smart factory, and we want to get them there. Yeah.
And it's kind of more like broad like question.
Yeah.
So everyone says that we are in the era of the fourth industrial revolution. However, is it like there was the first and second and third and this is the fourth? But isn't it really too fancy again for the fourth revolution in this era? I mean,
I wouldn't say this. I think it's a little bit more not about too fancy. It's a little bit more about the speed. Yeah, I think we have to adapt a little bit to the speed. If you see how many decades been between these revolution phases, I guess now the speed will be faster. Yeah, and the problem is, and this is a key point for us on the global scale. It's maybe not so sensitive here in Korea, but very, very sensitive globally, is it's not enough for us if we take the young generation into this fourth revolution. We have a lot of people working in the companies in very key positions. They are older. They are 50 and above. So we have to take them as well. Yeah, a lot of people look on the young generation and want to say, hey, that's fancy, that's good, and it's easy for them to implement. So we measure our success how we can get also the older generation into this smart factory world, because we need this working power on the global scale. Yeah, there are a lot of countries in Europe and United States where we're lacking working power. So we also need to get the older generation into the smart factory. And as better we can get this, as more successful we consider our mission. Yeah.
Right. I mean, it should be different too, depending on the countries.
Yes.
I mean, in Korea, it's really speed in internet, like 5G right now. So it should be, you guys should be differentiate your strategies compared to other countries. So what kind of strategies to Korea?
Yes and no. I think, of course, we always have a different go-to market in different countries. But coming back to your question, I would differ this a little bit. In the past, 90% of the product innovation came out of Germany and Europe. That will change. Yeah, so we see more and more impact from Korea, China, and other Asian countries, but especially Korea. So we get more and more new product ideas out of Asia and bring it to Europe and Americas. Yeah, so that was different then, or is different now in the past, and we guess that it will change even more stronger, and we maybe will come to a point where it's exactly other way around, where maybe 90% of the innovation comes from Asia and goes to Europe or Americas. Yeah, I don't want to say Europe, but you know what I mean. Yeah. So that will change definitely in future, and that will also change our whole company setup. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your sharing your expertise to our audience, and thank you for being in our guest as an interview. So
it's a pleasure to me. Yeah, thank you very much for giving me the chance to talk to you and your readers. Yeah, and your visitors. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.